Struggling with high electricity bills, unreliable power, or noisy fuel-powered generators? Permanent magnet generators offer an efficient, low-maintenance alternative for renewable energy systems. In today's video, we'll count down the top 5 best permanent magnet generators for wind, water, and off-grid power generation. Let's get started. At number 5, we have the SMARAAD Gearless Permanent Magnet Generator. This compact generator is designed for low-speed wind and water energy applications, offering up to 500 watts of power with 12-volt and 24-volt options. Its gearless design reduces noise, minimizes wear, and improves long-term reliability. Lightweight and easy to install. It's an excellent choice for beginners entering the world of renewable energy. At number 5, we have the SMARAAD Gearless Permanent Magnet Generator. This compact generator is designed for low-speed wind and water energy applications, offering up to 500 watts of power with 12-volt and 24-volt options. Its gearless design reduces noise, minimizes wear, and improves long-term reliability. Lightweight and easy to install, it's an excellent choice for beginners entering the world of renewable energy. Coming in at number 4 is the Rewindagic high-power permanent magnet generator. Available in power ratings from 20 kilowatts to 100 kilowatts, this generator delivers impressive output while operating efficiently at relatively low speeds. Multiple voltage options make it suitable for both residential and industrial applications. Its durable construction and quiet performance make it a dependable solution for large-scale energy production. At number 3, the SMARAAD horizontal wind turbine generator offers an excellent balance of power and efficiency. With a rated output of up to 5,000 watts and support for 24-volt, 48-volt, and 96-volt systems, it adapts easily to various renewable energy setups. The magnetic dynamo design helps maximize energy conversion while reducing losses. Built for home and off-grid use, it provides dependable performance in a wide range of conditions, taking the number 2 spot as the low-speed 3-phase permanent magnet generator. Designed for both wind and hydroelectric systems, it offers power outputs ranging from 15 to 20 kilowatts. Its 3-phase design delivers stable and consistent electricity generation, even at lower rotational speeds. Durable, efficient, and low maintenance, it's an excellent choice for users seeking reliable renewable power. At number 1, the FLTXNY Coreless Maglev permanent magnet generator stands out as the most advanced option on our list. Its innovative coreless magnetic levitation design reduces friction and increases efficiency, especially in low wind conditions. The dual rotor structure enhances power generation while maintaining smooth and quiet operation. For users seeking maximum performance, durability, and efficiency, this generator is a top-tier renewable energy solution.